morning, everyone. Transmission case is ready to be picked up from Miles Machine Shop. So I just wanted to bring you all along for the ride and you know, maybe get some footage of picking up the transmission case and taking it back home, showing it off. This is the first time I ever get to see it. First time you get to see it. So 48RE transmission with the A518 big block bell housing. We arrived at Miles Machine Shop, so let's go check it out. Hey.
Help you?
Yeah, that's my transmission.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm just making a YouTube channel.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's just taking a little video. So I got a credit card for you. That's it.
Well, heck yeah.
Yeah, so I appreciate you all.
No problem. I'll tell you what, if you want, just pull right here on the side.
Well, I'm at the back actually, but I'll pull back up.
Well,
Yeah.
here, get whatever you want to do. I was
Yeah.
going to say, I'll get a dolly and we'll wheel it back here, or if you want to pull right up here.
Sure, yeah. You don't mind if you're in my video, do you?
No.
Okay.
I didn't do none of it.
Yeah, that's fine. So, but yeah, this is beginning of a pretty cool little thing.
Almost definitely.
Yeah, I'll pull around. I'll just pull up to the door over here.
Alrighty. You're gonna need your keys.
That's what I thought. I thought I left them in my ignition. Like I said, I worked 10 hours.
There's a hard code.
Ready to go to bed.
I understand that.
Load it up. All right, so got it loaded up. Let's get it home.